Good morning, class. My name is Mr. Waldo and I'll be your substitute teacher for today. Because Andi Lippy just became Daddy Lippy.
Why did I say that?
That means that I'll be filling in on the channel to keep the content rolling. And I would really appreciate it if you could go into the comments and congratulate Andi and especially his wife with the newborn child. Well, let's get into the video. Today we're gonna take a look at the new and improved Pokemon and Friends game, this time for Streamer.Bot. So what is the Pokemon and Friends game? With the Pokemon and Friends minigame, your viewers can catch Pokemon. Every now and then a Pokemon will appear on your screen and they can catch it using channel point rewards. I guarantee you they wanna be the one that catches them all. The game has an all new cloud element. Meaning there is an online Pokedex where you can see which of your viewers has the most Pokemon, has the most luck, or the least amount of luck. And for every single viewer, you can see which Pokemon they got, how many, and if they caught a shiny. Because yes, shinies are in the game. And we support all current 8 generations, and the 9th generation is coming in an update really soon. Now to get started, you need a few things. You need the move transition and you need the StreamUP plugin. Both can be downloaded, but the easiest way to do it is using the StreamUP plug installer, which you can find also on the StreamUP website. Now once you got those installed, you need to hop over to the StreamuP.tip website and get yourself the new Pokemon and Friends cloud version for Streamer.Bot. You can download it for free, but we would really appreciate it if you put in $1 or $2. Or $5 if you're feeling fancy. But it's all up to you. Now that you have downloaded everything, I want you to double check if you got all the prerequisites installed. So the move transition and the StreamUP plugin. Also, Streamer.Bot might be handy because it's a Streamer.Bot game.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
So go to OBS, go to Tools, and then StreamUP. In here, select the StreamUP file that came with the download. This will create a new scene inside of your OBS, which you can embed in any scene that you want. So, if you only want to have the game show up in your game scene, only include that scene as a source or a source mirror or a source clone in that scene. You don't really have to do anything else inside of OBS. Now for the Streamer.Bot part. Open Streamer.Bot and check if everything is connected properly. So, in the lower right corner there should be a green dot displaying that your OBS and your main Twitch account are connected. Once you've checked this, go to Import at the top of Streamer.Bot and drag and drop the SB file that you got during the download into the import string section. Now that we imported all the actions, I want you to go to Twitch and then channel point rewards. We want to create a new channel point that your users will use to catch the Pokemon. Give it a name, give it a price, and I advise you to set at least a global cooldown of 10 seconds in order to have the game operate a little bit more smoothly. You can also limit the amount of Pokeballs or redemptions a user can do, but that is totally up to you. Now, at the bottom of this dialog, I want you to select the right action. Select the perform catch action from the game to connect to the channel point. Alright, we now connected your channel point to the game, but you need something else. You need a StreamUP streamer key. This key will allow your game to connect to our servers so that we know who you are and that we can make the Pokedex for you. So I want you to go to this URL, and once you go there, you're gonna log in with your Twitch and you're gonna copy the special key that you get. But remember, this key is basically a password, so do not share this with anybody. Now that you got your streamer key, go back to your actions and we're gonna fill in the settings. So we got a setting for the generations we want to include. So I'll set it to 2. And you need to specify which channel point reward is your channel point reward. And in here, we need to enter the streamer key from StreamUp that you just generated. And remember to never show this to anybody. All right, we're getting there. There are only a few steps left. Now, go to Settings in Streamer.Bot and go to Timed Actions. In here, you need to create a new timed action that will work for you. So, this will determine how often a new Pokemon will spawn. Depending on your chat, you might want it to have a Pokemon spawn every 5 minutes, maybe every 15 minutes. And you can take into account how many chat messages there need to be between every single Pokemon spawn. And the last thing that we want to do is go to commands and make sure every single Pokemon command is enabled. If everything went according to plan, you can type !Poke-spawn in your chat and a new Pokemon will appear. And you can use your channel point reward and try to catch it. Then, if you type !Pokedex, your Pokedex URL will pop up in chat. Alright, you got everything installed and ready to go, so you can catch some more Pokemon. I don't need these headphones because that's continuity error. But I hope you liked this video. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, leave a like and tell me in the comments down below what your favorite Pokemon is. And your congratulations to Andi and his wife. Now, YouTube thinks that you want to watch this video next, so I recommend clicking on it. And I'll see you later. Have a good one.